Iconic beer gardens and Viennese coffee houses, Austria is one of the latest European countries closer to a normal summer.
Cheers. Thank you to the Portuguese government.
On the whole, EU nations agreed to expand the list of safe countries allowed to visit them.
This will help progressively resuming international inbound travel where it's possible to do so safely.
While the details are being ironed out, Canada is not likely to make that safe list. It will require countries to have fewer than 75 cases per 100,000 people in the last 14 days. Canada currently sits at 232 cases. But Canadians could still have a European vacation if you've had both doses of the vaccine at least 14 days before you travel.
We are very likely going to be able to travel abroad, depends where. The question is not can we, but should we?
Dr. Christopher Labo says people should avoid parts of the world with high COVID rates. Elsewhere, for those vaccinated, he says the risk is very low, but not zero, so be careful to avoid ending up sick in a foreign hospital. Across Canada, summer vacation may be a safer bet.
I think the most likely explanation is that by July, August, case counts will have decreased far enough that most provinces will not have travel restrictions.
And as far as our neighbors to the south, so far no changes to visiting the U.S. and vice versa, no matter your vaccination status.
We'll see what framework we apply to ensure that we're keeping Canadians safe, even as we look to eventually changing the restrictions and the posture at the border.
And no matter your international vacation destination, when you return home, you still need to quarantine for 2 weeks, with up to 3 days in a government-approved hotel if you've arrived by air. At this point, the government has nothing new to say about when those restrictions will lift. Abigail Bimman, Global News, Ottawa.